This is the best program on the planet. No matter what the price is, anyone that is serious in his or her business would be crazy not to take advantage of it and get access to it, no matter what the price.
Dagan's techniques are so powerful, and they've been tested over and over and over again, and they actually work.
And he made his teaching so simple, went from step. So if you're looking for someone to follow or someone to show you how to make money online, definitely I would suggest Dagan Smith.
Dagan's really passionate about this stuff. I mean, he continues to do all this direct response stuff himself.
This is something you definitely want to take advantage of and to take your primary business to the next level.
I mean, maximum leverage, there's honestly nothing that even comes close to maximum leverage in the entire industry.
Do the right thing for yourselves and your business. Give Dagan Smith and Maximum Leverage a try. I can guarantee you, you won't be let down.
You have to make the decision that you're going to do more than what you've been doing to get more than what you've always had. And Dagan Smith can actually start that process for you.
I finished the Maximum Leverage course. I was like, man, Dagan, you should have created this course. 2 years back, it would have saved me so much of dollars.
Making money on the internet, rejection-free, has never been easier thanks to your simple, easy-to-follow training.
Dagan Smith is a great mentor. I learned a whole lot. I learned things that most internet marketers probably wouldn't tell you.
Dagan is very clear and to the point in his trainings, and that's what I really appreciate.
But do yourself a favor. Check out Dagan Smith's MaximumLeverage.com.
Simply under promises and way over delivers.
Dagan Smith, your system absolutely rocks, man. Keep up the great work.
I have now been able to help some other people, all because you helped me.
But after spending a day with Dagan, I was just like, wow.
You're just going to be completely blown away.
Dagan Smith is the bomb.
His system works.